Living room design is the process of planning and organizing the layout, furnishings, color scheme, lighting, and decor to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. It's a space where people typically relax, socialize, entertain guests, and spend time with family, so the design should prioritize comfort, functionality, and style. The layout is the foundation of the living room design. It determines how the space will be used and how the furniture is arranged. The main seating area should be arranged around a focal point, e.g., a TV, fireplace, or window view. For conversation, place seats in a way that encourages interaction. If the room serves multiple functions like a combined living and dining area, create defined zones using furniture placement, rugs, or even lighting. Choosing the right furniture is essential for both comfort and style. Select seating that suits the room's size and the number of people who will use it. Sofas can range from sectional pieces to more compact ones depending on available space. Chairs and ottomans can be added for extra seating and comfort. A coffee table or side tables serve both functional and decorative purposes. They provide a place for drinks, remote controls, and books, as well as contribute to the overall design. Incorporate shelves, cabinets, or consoles to store items like books, media equipment, and decorative pieces, while also keeping the space organized. The color palette you choose sets the tone of the room. A neutral base like beige, gray, or white allows flexibility with other design elements and helps the room feel spacious and calm. Add personality and vibrancy through accent colors in accessories like throw pillows, rugs, curtains, and artwork. Bold hues can make the space feel energetic, while softer tones create a more serene environment. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the ambiance and enhancing functionality. Personalizing the space with decor makes it feel truly your own. Large pieces of art or a gallery wall can define the room's character. Items like vases, sculptures, or plants can add visual interest and style. Indoor plants bring life and a natural touch to any living room. Plants also improve air quality and help make the room feel more inviting. Ultimately, living room design is about creating a space that fits your lifestyle, preferences, and the needs of your household. Whether it's for entertaining, relaxing, or family time, the design should balance comfort, style, and functionality while reflecting your personality. Hope you enjoy watching it. If this video is helpful for you, then share it with your friends and family members.